big ships.
And welcome to Turkey.
Look.
Yeah, so this flows all the way from Germany to the Black Sea.
Wow. Seriously?
Yeah. We reached at the sea, but as you can see, you can't see anything, right?
Yeah.
And that's because we reached at night over here. We're going to set up the tent in the morning when we can see things clearly. Right now there is a chance that if we're going to continue moving, we might get stuck here in the sand dunes, and that's never... I mean, we've got stuck in plenty of other situations when we went camping, so this time we don't want to do that at all.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll catch you guys in the morning. We are going to sleep in the car. We did a mini setup for Momo, and
That's this.
yeah,
She's going to sleep here. I prepared her bed properly. She's the only one who is going to sleep properly, basically.
yeah, and we are going to sleep on the front seats, no reclining whatsoever. It's going to be an interesting night. However, it's magical out here. We can't really show you. We can see all of the stars. The sea sound is so soothing, and we have the breeze which is coming with all of the salty water smell. It's magical. Honestly, we're really excited for tomorrow. So we'll catch you in the morning. Bye.
Good night.
Good
Bye.
night. And good morning from the seaside. It is raining today.
We finally found location after 3 rounds of back and forth. Wait,
Just for your information, this is how our car is looking when we are traveling. There is space for nothing.
pulling maximum height, okay?
So in case rain is coming back, at least we have a shelter this time. It's not done. Slept last night.
I would love to eat first.
Yeah, we or maybe get like a quick nap. That's also something that might. And as predicted, it started raining again.
And so badly.
But it's good because after the last camping we did in the mountains, we were under the trees and there was quite a bit of dirt that came into this tent. Let me do both sides. You can see the sea over there.
Yeah, now tent is going to clean. As you can see how hard it's raining.
It's going to rain for a while. Looking at the sea, I think it's going to rain for a while. Oh, since it's raining this bad, let's try the water. Okay, it's not that cold. It's quite nice. Oh, nice. Beautiful beach, lot of seashells, very fine sand in some places. Over here it's not. How is it to have your first proper
Look when the water is dripping on my shoes.
and look at my shoes, how wet they are. Oh
Huh?
god. My shoes are,
Yes.
and Archie was like, no, 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 they're going to be fine, don't worry, leave them there.
My slippers are gathering water.
And this is how our tent looks before we set it up. Hello, Momo. Chipach? Are you enjoying, Momo? Artie is preparing breakfast. And after we're going to be done with breakfast, we're going to continue dealing with this mess over here. Meanwhile, it's starting
Raining
raining
again.
again. What are your first thoughts about this one beach?
It's very beautiful. It's my first beach and it's a virgin beach. It's amazing. You know what I was doing earlier? Collecting shells. I found so many beautiful ones. I will show them. I need to wash them. It started raining again and I had to come back. So yeah, I'm gonna come back with all of them. Like I have like this much full. I'm really excited.
Priorities, basically. Seashells first, everything else later.
Yes,
Yeah.
I want to find
it's your-
big one.
It's your first time coming to the sea, right?
Yes. Honestly, I was really afraid. I was like, oh, never gonna go to Seaside because I have a water phobia. When I see lots of water, you know how I got panicked with the pool as well. But now, it seems like I was afraid for nothing. I like it. And I feel, I don't know, a kind of peace that it's amazing. I have no words, sorry. It's beautiful. I'm gonna make Maggie because it's easy and tasty, and some toast with coffee and chai. And today we have this on breakfast menu.
Let's keep it simple.
Yeah. We have a big Maggie. Lots of water is gonna come out here.
Especially on a rainy day like this.
Oh, it's soothing. Wherever you go, get lost. And I am lost at Seaside in the rain.
Oh god, it smells so good.
Coffee, right? Here you go, Mr. Your coffee. You remember when I first came to Romania, our flight was like very close to sea.
Yeah.
It was Qatar or Dubai,
No, it was Cameron.
KLM. Yeah, but which airport was that? Qatar, I guess. No?
No, we went directly to. So first time when I came to Romania, we went to Netherlands. And then from Netherlands to Bucharest.
Ah, yeah. So it wasn't the first time.
Second time, indeed, we went to Qatar. From New Delhi to Doha, Doha to Bucharest.
Ah, it was Doha.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I feel like my ears are going to like that noise, you know, tea kind of things, and it's gonna start bleeding. But when I looked outside of the window, we were so close to water. He was flying on top of the water. I could feel it, all this wave. You know, the plane was not very stable when we were on top of the water. Wow, I was so afraid. I was so afraid at that time. And then he landed on the right in the moon. Wow, it was so beautiful.
So partial update. Part of the setup has been finished. We're taking a bit of rest. It's raining again. It took us such a long time to do the setup, and we didn't get to record today because we were really tired. So we went to sleep basically.
We are having fun.
Yeah, what matters is that we're having fun. We're going to work more on this after we take now another break, and we'll be back with more updates. For the people which don't know Indian cuisine, what is chole chawal?
Chole as in chickpeas.
Okay.
in Romanian noun,
Okay.
and rice chawal is rice,
Okay.
and it's like a chole curry with rice. Simple, easy, because all you have to do is chop some onion, some tomatoes, some gajiji Nico will explain.
Gajiji is garlic ginger.
Good thing is this stove that we have, it does actually wonder.
I think I should turn down a bit the heater, right? Sea salt, since we're at the sea.
I have a mixing of turmeric and some other spices from home.
So it's a whole mix of spices.
I was really good. Maybe I will be okay after tonight. Last night, because I stayed in the car whole night, I couldn't manage to sleep properly. Plus, Momo was really confused what was happening last night actually, and she was crying, and I was up trying to put her on sleep on my chest, on my lap. And it was 3, like 2:33 in the morning, and I didn't sleep at all. So I'm feeling a bit exhausted.
Since we have the kerosene heater, we're going to use it as a second stove.
And lately I visited an Indian family, and they put some chips on your rice. It was tasting good. Should I smash a few? Want to try?
Okay.
Something that I did never do. I know we were eating lentil papad, because I do that at home. But chips first time.
Okay.
What's the bună?
Stă bună.
Smelling good. It's very hot. For me, salt is. I need a little bit salt. That's all.
Good morning from the Sea Adventures in Romania campsite. We are on the last Virgin Beach in Europe. This is Tuzla. It's one of the few places which is still untouched, and people can come here and camp. You're going to see there are other campers, other tents. Mostly campers were the only ones with a tent. Yesterday, as you saw, it was rainy. We were quite... Hey, Momo. Momo is full of sand. It was basically, we were really tired, because day before that we had to drive almost full day from our previous location. We arrived quite late here. It was like 9:30, 10 p.m. in the evening. We were not sure if we are okay to set up where we were because we were very close to the water. So we had to wait until morning to confirm where camping is actually allowed or not. And after we found out, we found this really nice place where we can see our tent, we can see our car, we have like a flat surface, and it's right next here to the shore. Today it's supposed to be, look at the water. Today it's supposed to be sunny, so we're going to take advantage of that. If the water is going to cool down a bit, to calm down a bit, we're going to go properly into water and enjoy the beach life. Artie is in the tent. She's doing her morning routine. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Water is not as clean as it usually is because yesterday it rained continuously, but I can still see a bit of shade of green. Usually it's supposed to be even a more pronounced green. Well, we are also off season, so it makes sense. Momo. Momo, I'll catch you. I'll catch you, Momo. Momo is having fun no matter where she is. Bravo, Momo, bravo. Found better stick, Momo. Better stick, better. Hi. Fetch. It's broken. Momo, sit up. Hold on. Hi, Momo, hi. Bravo, Momo. Leonkane, you want to eat breakfast? Hi, breakfast. Hi. Hi, let's eat breakfast. Arte,
Where did
but
you
it's
get?
broken. Momo is having her breakfast. Eat, Momo. Eat, Beto. Eat.
Hello guys, morning from the seaside. First thing in the morning, imagine what I'm doing. Collecting chisel every day from last 3 days. This is what I'm doing. First thing in the morning, waking up, coming to the beach and collecting chisels. That's my favorite.
Not she.
Shut up. You understand, right? I have a problem with S. Anyway. I was collecting this she sells, right? No, forget it. I was collecting these beautiful things when I was back home in India, when I was going to my village. These things I was collecting was my favorite activity back then, and I realize it's still, after 15 years, it's still my favorite activity. So yeah, I'm going to show you my collection at the end. And I found another shank. In India, this little cute thing is called shank. In Romania, I don't know. Please write it down in the comment what it is called in Romania. And if you know any place where I can buy these things from. So yeah, I'm waiting for the comments. Let's search a bit more. And I want to find a big one if I'm lucky enough. So let's walk and continue the activity. Let's back to the research. All I know, look how beautiful it's looking here. It's very pretty. And I will be really happy if she will gift me a one shank. No, I talk stupid sometimes, but it is possible. So here we have a lots of these things we call CP in India. I mean, at my region we called it CP and Shank. No, my S pronunciation is very bad. But anyway, it's okay.
How is it to have a sunny day finally?
Yeah.
It's been how much? 3 days already? It's 29 degrees over here in the tent. We haven't opened all of the ventilations yet.
Says 29.4. I don't feel it. I feel like 21.
No, it is way
22.
hotter than 21.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't feel it. Last time when I made this breakfast, I did it on fire, straight on fire, and it was really tasty. This time, unfortunately, I can't do it on fire because we are at Seaside and it's super windy outside, plus sandy and salty.
And it's a natural reservation, so fire is not allowed.
We can't make fire here as well. This is interesting.
This is my original platter creation. This is why it's so ugly. One of the nice things about this wall beach is the fact that there's almost no one around. And it's like having your own private beach. We did a little setup here with the umbrella. We have the demo table with the sunscreen for kids and some refreshments. So I think it's time to try the water. I'm going to give it a go. Let's see how hot or cold it is. But anyway, it's beautiful. It's a bit windy. But yeah. You want to go? Yeah. Very windy. As you can see on this umbrella, it's barely holding. Oh, okay, let's go. Martin's call from just now. Artie brought some snacks. Yeah. Nice. Cheers! The alarm for this weather station is "We wish you Merry Christmas." Monotone. First time seeing a turtle, Mama? Some things that you should know before coming to this beach, or if you go to any type of wild beach. I just did the dishes. Very important, don't rely on the normal steaks if you're coming with the tent. Make sure to buy the dedicated steaks, which are for sand and stable soil. They're the thicker type, and I mean, not necessarily thicker, but they are the wider type, and they perform much better. I had to restake the normal steaks a couple of times. I managed to use some techniques like burying the steaks deeper and in order for them to stay. And right now we're not facing any big issues. There's a fighter plane over there, which is making a lot of noise right now. I'm pretty sure it's not visible on the camera. I'm not sure whether these are ours or if these are part of the war in Ukraine thing. But anyway, coming back to our subject here, another very important thing, make sure that you have plenty of water. On average over here, so for the dishes that we are using around 5 liters for each wash. We're trying to be as economical as possible when it comes to this. So if you cook 3 times, you need at least 15 liters of water for that. Then there is the shower. If you have a shower like ours, in order to fill it up, you need another 25. And you also obviously need the water for cooking and stuff like this. So make sure to plan properly. One good thing is that there are a couple of shops which are very close to this beach over here. So getting more water is not an issue. Just make sure go ahead of time because sometimes the water is going to run out. So you can rely on them, but at the same time you can't really rely on them. It depends on the demand, which is over here. Yeah, otherwise I think this has been a really nice experience. It's not hot, it's not cold. We're having a good time, and definitely we're going to visit again next year. But next year, most likely we're going to come again. Again, if it's going to still be a wild beach, we're going to come again, but during the peak summers, the peak season in July or August, so we can catch the sea at a better moment than what we had right now. The water was not too cold, it was perfect in my opinion. The only problem is the fact that being really windy, there are big waves and you can't properly enjoy. So yeah, overall I truly recommend this place. It's really quiet, no one bothers you. There's a lot of nice people that we met over here, a lot of other people with their pets. It's truly something else, and I am really glad that I came into this side of the country. I haven't been here in a long time, and it also looks like Artie had a great time as well. So yeah, truly recommend this beach.